Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this wig I was sent from Ft.Unice Hair. Just in case any of you guys are interested, like always, check below in the description box. There will be links and details to this wig. So right here, I'm just showing you what the wig looks like with the lace still on. And I have to say, I'm not a fan of the hairline. I don't believe it came pre-plucked and the knots were not bleached. So the color of this wig is supposed to be like a reddish brown color, and it's definitely giving reddish brown. I'm totally here for the color. The color is really pretty, you guys. Now the density on this is not too thick. It's just right, like just in the middle. Not too thin, not too thick, just right. I feel like if you would like a fuller wig, you can definitely bump up the density. And also the length for this wig is 18 inches, but let's just hop straight into installing this wig. And I just want y'all to get like a glimpse of what this hairline is looking like, because y'all, I was not feeling the hairline at all. Now mind you, the quality of the wig, A1. I definitely love, just overall, I like this wig, but I did not enjoy this hairline. And as y'all can see, yeah, so just watch, because this hairline definitely transformed, but it was just bothering me because it just looked like it was just like straight, like the hairline was too straight. It looked like a shape up for real, and I just did not like it. But I'm not going to do too much talking. Y'all just watch the finesse, okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below. And again, make sure you check in the description box for links and details to this wig, and also it might be some coupon codes, just in case you are interested in purchasing this wig. But I will see you guys in my next video.
cause she let me do her.
Alright, y'all, so this is the natural light in my house. It's kind of like I have, lights, but this is what it looks like without the ring light. I don't know if y'all seeing this correctly, but yeah, this is the color in like a regular. Stop. I just wanted you guys to see the color without the ring light, so y'all can kind of get a feel. Sorry, it's a little dull, but come on, bro. This wig lays so flat, y'all, and the hair is a really nice quality. Real silky. Real silky.